Don't boil eggs directly in water anymore. Boiling eggs the old way often causes the shells to crack, the egg whites to spill out messily, making them look bad and wasting the whole egg. So today, I'm going to reveal the 5-star standard way to boil eggs right at home. It's extremely simple. The eggs turn out delicious, retain all their nutrition, and you can fully control the doneness exactly to your preference. Before we start, we will do one important thing that everyone usually overlooks: cleaning the eggs. Don't assume the eggs are clean and think they are safe. Eggs bought from the market are often dirty, with chicken droppings and feathers stuck on them, and can even contain dangerous salmonella bacteria, which can cause stomach pain, diarrhea, or worse. Don't worry. Simply soak the eggs in a bowl of water with 1 tablespoon of salt and a few slices of lemon for about 5 minutes. Then gently wipe each egg with a paper towel and rinse them clean again with water. This method not only makes the eggs completely clean, but also meets the strict hygiene standards of 5-star chefs. Only now can you feel truly confident when preparing and enjoying the most delicious and healthy eggs. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. To make it easy for you to see the difference in doneness of each egg according to the boiling time, I will use a marker to write directly on the shell of each egg according to the desired time. For example, here I mark the eggs in order as 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minutes. And add 1 secret egg. I didn't mark any number on it. Please comment and guess how many minutes this secret egg was boiled for. This is an extremely smart and simple tip that helps you never get confused between the eggs during the boiling process. After marking is done, use a slotted spoon to gently drop each egg into the pot of water that has been heated, following the exact order of the marked times, from the shortest to the longest time. When the water starts to simmer gently, quickly turn the heat down low to maintain a stable temperature. This step is very important to help the eggs cook evenly and prevent the shells from cracking. Finally, simply take out your phone and set the timer according to the exact number of minutes marked on each egg. It's both convenient and extremely accurate. As soon as the time is up, I scoop the eggs out and immediately drop them into a bowl of ice water. This shock cooling step is extremely important. It stops the cooking process immediately, preventing the yolks from becoming dry, while making the eggshells extremely easy to peel and keeping the eggs perfectly round, smooth, and beautiful as desired. Now I'm going to start peeling the eggs. Don't miss it, the result will amaze you. Because we've soaked them in ice water, it will be easier to peel the eggs, and I guarantee we won't end up with any messy ones. I'll keep peeling them, hehe. For the egg boiled for 4 minutes, the yolk flows smoothly like cream, rich and flavorful. The egg white is soft and smooth, jiggling extremely seductively. 6 minutes produces a soft, silky, smooth yolk that still retains its fresh taste and natural richness. Eight minutes, perfectly cooked, the yolk is thick and just right, glossy. The egg white is firm, but still soft. 10 minutes. The yolk is evenly cooked, slightly moist in the center, creating a smooth texture, rich in nutrition and extremely appealing. 12 minutes. The yolk is fully cooked, bright yellow, fluffy. The egg white is pure white and just the right chewiness. Classic boiled egg style. Now it's time for the secret egg. I won't cut it like the others. Instead, I'll turn it into a new and surprisingly delicious dish. Get ready to watch. Prepare a pan of water that has been brought to a gentle simmer over low heat. Gently drop the secret egg into the pan, making sure to place it in the center of the pan to avoid burning or overcooking the egg. Next, prepare a clean bowl. Crack 2 eggs into it. And use a fork to gently beat them so the yolks and whites combine. After beating the eggs, immediately pour the mixture into the pan. While the egg mixture is still wet, sprinkle some finely chopped tomatoes on top. Add a little parsley and some black pepper to enhance the aroma and make it more visually appealing. Keep the heat on low so the eggs cook slowly, allowing the bottom to turn golden evenly without burning. When the bottom has set, gently flip the egg using a spatula to cook both sides evenly. Once the egg is beautifully golden, sprinkle a little more pepper to bring out the aroma, then transfer it to a plate. The finished dish is a soft and fluffy egg, delicious, with eye-catching colors, perfect for a quick meal that is still full of flavor. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is the motivation for me to continue bringing more simple, healthy, and interesting cooking tips. See you again in the next videos.